So here we also have the right, left push button. This is only used for when the ink tuber goes with air inside. So normally we no need to push these two buttons. Please remember, if we always push this button, we will meet the color mixer problem. So this two button is only designed for we flush the air. If we meet the air on the print head and on the tuber, it's not used for do the head cleaning. The head cleaning we only use from the flush button from here. Flush button here. So the flush is clean. And the two buttons here is for release the air from the air tube and from the ink tuber and from the print head. So if your print head get clogged, we cannot push for these two buttons. Please remember. So this is the procedure to do not check print. Okay, now we start to pump the ink from the print head. So first we find out the waste ink pipe from the package. And then we can put the waste bags for safety. 再来一个 We can put two bags on the top of the board. This is for hold the waste ink. We put two bags. And then we move up the Z-gap control to move the cartridge moving up. Then we put the part at the bottom of the print head. To hold the waste ink. We must be sure that the box must with the same position of the print head, not overlap. Otherwise, the ink will pump to the belt and short the electronic system at the bottom of the belt. So this is very important. After we put the bags already at the bottom print head, then we can start pump the ink. We can see here the button here. First we push the first red print head pump. We click. Then we can see the pump is working. And we can see the ink is flushed out. We can see the ink is flushing out. So we push red head clean. We push about 3 seconds, then release and push again. We can see the ink splashing out. We push about 10 seconds, 10 times, 3 seconds for each. And then we go to push the second print head. And also we push the left clean button. And we check, we see the ink's flushing out. So this is a procedure to clean the print head by flush the ink. Then after we flush the ink, we use the clean fabric, and we go with a little bit clean water, mineral water. Then we clean the surface of the printhead from left to right to clean for each. And we clean the two printhead surface. We must use the clean fabric, not other material. After we clean, and then we can take out the waste ink part. We can see the waste ink flush to the dish, and then we can take out. And release the waste ink part.